Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve very first problem from array session in NamasteDev.com. This is the problem remove duplicate. I go to LeetCode. The problem name is remove duplicate from sorted array. 26th problem. This is the problem example. I take screenshot and put it on Excalibur. In this problem we are going to remove the duplicate number from the sorted array. In this video I am going to give two approaches to solve this problem. One is splice method and another one is using for loop. Here in splice method, this is the problem statement example. We are going, whenever we see the duplicate number from the list, we are going to remove the duplicate. So we are going to use for loop here. For I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Then we are going to check if n of I equal to n of I minus 1, which is 0 in the first initial process. It check number of 0 and number of 1 are equal. Yes, in this case it is equal. Then we are going to use splice method. So n dot splice, we are going to remove the I number. In here the I is a 1, so we are going to remove the I element. Then how many elements we are going to remove? Only one element, so it remove the 1 from the list. Then we are going to increment the I value because whenever we use splice method to remove duplicate element from this array, the array becomes shorter. So we want to move array in the left side, so we are going to decrement the array I value. This is the process we are going to do. Then we are going to return n dot length, because in this example the output must be the length of the array, not the exact array. So we are going to then go to LeetCode, write use for loop, let I equal to 1, I less than nums dot length, then I plus plus. Here we are going to use if condition to check first two number, the 1 and 1. We are going to check number of 0 and number of 1. So number of I, if number of I equal number of I minus 1, if both are same, we are going to remove the element. So it's nums, not num. Nums dot splice, we are going to remove ith element, comma how many elements we are going to remove? We are going to remove only one element here. Then we are going to decrement the I value. If we return nums dot length, we run the program, it actually passed all the test case. If we submit the program, it successfully accepted. This is the one approach to solve this problem. The second approach is using for loop. We are going to take one extra variable here, which is index. When the index is initially 0, then we are going to use for loop. Let I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Here we are going to check if nums of I, nums of index not equal to nums of I. If both are not same, we are going to increment the length, increment index, and nums of index equal to nums of I. This is a problem. Basically it do when both are not same. Here 1 and 1, the 1 and we check both 1 and 1, both are same, then the I value goes here. Let's suggest something, guys, like the array is like this. Basically the array look like this. It we are given two pointer here. The first one is index. Initially the first one is index. This is the I element. It check I not equal to index. Yes, I not equal to index. Then it will increase the I value because we are using for loop here. Then it check index and I is not equal. Yes, it is not equal. So between the element is compulsory, it is duplicate element, so we are going to replace this element using 2 here. This is the process we are did in this approach. Let's code the exact idea here, and declare the value index here. Index is initially 0. Then we are going to use for loop let I equal to 1, I less than nums dot length, then I plus plus. Then we are going to check if nums of index not equal to nums of I. We are going, if both are not equal, we are going to increment index value, then nums of index equal to nums of index equal to nums of I. So here we are going to return the index plus 1. Basically index is 0, so we are adding 1 here. We run the program. It accepted all the test case. If I submit the program, it beat 100% of users. This is it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye.